In this lecture, we are going to upload, deploy the artifact. So first we have to go to our app server, go to security, modify AMI rule, and we put the S3 admin rule we created. And we click updated. So we have to open our app server. We copy this link and go to the root folder. So if you don't have AWS CLI on your app server, you have to download it, but it's necessary for the S3 bucket to interact with the Tomcat. So we have to upload the S3 bucket into the Tomcat server. So it's been extracted. So we have to remove the default Tomcat on the server. So the command is rm remove the path // Now we have to copy the artifact into this directory. So that is a command, copy the artifact. Then we have to stop. We have to restart the Tomcat server and we have to check on the root folder. And now we have to copy the IP address and to check if the application is running. Okay, now we have to copy the artifact to the var root direction. Now we start the application system, ctl start Tomcat 10. Okay, so let's check let's open the public IP address and check if the application is running. Let's minimize this one. Go to EC2 instance. Application. Let's copy the public IP. Tomcat runs on port 8080. Wow, you can see our application is up and running. So we download the artifact to the Tomcat EC2 instance. Now we have to set up an EBS with HTTP connection so that we can access our application. As you can see, it's not secure. So what we have to do, we have to create an ACM certificate and map it with our GoDaddy. So let's create an ACM certificate right now. With ACM manager certificate, request certificate, next. So you have to give your domain name. So you have to put your domain name. So you have to put star dot, then you give your domain name. My domain name is kingsley.online. Scroll down. So validation method, we are going to use a DNS validation method. So we click on request certificate. Will take some time. As you can see, it's showing pending validation. So let's go to list of certificate. Click on it. You can see the CNAME and the CNAME value. This is what we have to put on our GoDaddy. So let's open our GoDaddy and put the request. Okay, as you can see, it shows success. So let's go to our load balancer. So EC2 and load balancer. Let's create the target group first. Click on target group, create target group, instance, target group name. Let's put health, TG, HTTP port, Tomcat listed on port 8080. So here, well, we're going to put it on the load balancer. Advanced health check, override. Click next. Okay, it's created. So we have to copy the application instance, okay, this is the app instance. Click on it. I will click on create target group. Okay, we've created our target group. So now we have to create our load balancer. So click on load balancer, create load balancer. We are going to use an application load balancer because it's route on the URL. Create You have to give a load balancer a name. Say v profile elb dot tk. We're going to leave it default internet facing network mapping. So we have availability zones. Okay. Let's create our security group. Okay, we already have a security group, ebs.sg. Click on it. HTTP port 80. Default action. Choose a target group. Scroll down. Let's add another listener. Best use HTTPS target group. Okay, let's import our ACM certificate. This is our ACM certificate. Scroll down and click on create load balancer. Scroll down and click on create load balancer. So we have to take the load balancer endpoint and put on our DNS and put on our GoDaddy for us to access the HTTPS connection of our application. That's the endpoint. So our DNS. Rename, people app, value, load balancer endpoint. Okay, you click on save. It shows this name appears. So let me check. Let me remove it. See name, if I app, and I click save. Okay, let's go back to application. Okay, people do not have the certificate can copy the endpoint of the load balancer and access the application. So let's check. Next thing. So let's copy the load balancer endpoint and check. You can see it shows not secure. So let's use our website address, which is mapped with an HTTPS connection. So profile app.kingsley. We click enter. You can see it's secured connection. You can see our website now is secured because we have an ACM certificate. Connection secured. You can check the settings if you want. Connection secure. You can see that the security is using an HTTPS connection, while the other connection is not secure because it's using an HTTP connection. So we've come to the end of the lecture and we've deployed our application on the web server. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is the end of the AWS application of the lift and shift part 4.